Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to join admin server and steal a Brainrot Roblox. So first things first, you just have to simply go to any web browser or log into your Roblox account. And then here in the search icon, you have to look for Steal A Brainrot and you have to look for experience. So basically, once you are in here, you should see, if you're going to scroll down, you should see servers. So what you're going to do is you have to click or tap on servers right here below. So once you found a servers here on your Steal in Brainrot, what you're going to do next is you have to go to the left side. You will see there a server or any servers tab. You will see a below or you will see join button below. What you're going to do is you just have to simply add. Okay, so you can also do a Game Pass section. Admin access is often sold as Game Pass. Or you can join or buy a private server like VIP server. So on the servers tab, you can create private server or buy a server button appears. Click it and follow prompts to buy. If there's an existing VIP server with an invite link, you can use that link to join. If a server costs Robux, you must have Robux and meet Roblox purchase requirements like age, account, and settings. Or you can choose from any of this here. So if the server is invite whitelist only, you will need to wait for the team to approve or send an invite. Be polite when requesting access. So basically, these are the ways and how to join admin server in Steal A Brainrot Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.